Doval was born in 1945 in Giri village in the erstwhile United Province, now in Uttarakhand. His father, Major G. N. Doval, was an officer in the Indian Army. He received his early education at the Ajmer Military School, formerly known as King George Royal Indian Military School in Ajmer, Rajasthan. He graduated with a master's degree in economics from the Agra University in 1967. The following year, he joined the Indian Police Service in the Kerala cadre as the ASP of Kottayam district. He played a crucial role in suppressing the infamous Thalassery riot. When the tension escalated, he was chosen for the task by then Home Minister K. Karunakaran. Immediately after reaching Thalassery, Doval retrieved the properties looted by the rioters. He also brought the looters from society and chatted out effective action plans to curb the violence, and everything was back to normalcy within 1 week. He worked in Thalassery for 5 months. In 1972, he moved to the Intelligence Bureau, where he spent 3 decades, including stints in the restive regions of the Northeast, Jammu and Kashmir, and the UK. He was trained under M.K. Narayan, the third National Security Advisor of India, for a brief period in the counter-terrorism operations. Doval served as Additional Director and Special Director of Intelligence Bureau. Later, he headed Intelligence Bureau's operational wing for over a decade and was the founder chairman of the Multi-Agency Center as well as of the Joint Task Force on Intelligence. He has the experience of being involved in the termination of all 15 hijackings of Indian Airlines aircraft from 1971 to 1999. He played a vital role in the intelligence for Sikkim's merger with India in 1975. In 1988, Doval was granted one of the highest gallantry award, the Kirti Chakra, becoming the first police officer to receive the medal previously given only as a military honor. Doval retired from IB in January 2005. In December 2009, he became the founding director of the Vivekananda International Foundation, a public policy think tank set up by the Vivekananda Kendra. Doval has spoken internationally at global events, citing the ever-increasing need of cooperation between the major established and the emerging powers of the world. On 13th May 2014, Doval was appointed as India's 5th National Security Advisor. Doval is widely credited for the doctrinal shift in the Indian national security policy with respect to Pakistan, switching from defensive to defensive offensive as well as a double squid strategy. It is speculated that the September 2016 Indian strikes in Pakistan-controlled Kashmir were his brainchild. Alone, the Doklam standoff was successfully resolved through diplomatic channels and negotiations due to the combined efforts of Doval, the Foreign Secretary S. Jaishankar, and Indian Ambassador to China, Vijay Keshav Gokhale. He was awarded an honorary doctorate for his contribution in the field of strategic and security matters in science and literature from Agra University in 2017 and Coleman University May 2018 respectively. In October 2018, he was appointed as the chairman of the Strategic Policy Group (SPG), which is the first tier of a 3-tier structure of the National Security Council and forms the nucleus of his decision-making apparatus. On 3rd June 2019, he was reappointed as NSA for 5 years and was given Union Cabinet Minister rank. The move is seen as one of the major diplomatic gains for India and also a result of increasing intelligence and defense cooperation between the two nations. On 15th May 2020, the military forces of Myanmar handed over a group of 22 insurgents active in Assam and other northeastern states to the Indian government. This was made possible through negotiations headed by Doval and his strategies against militant organizations in the northeast.